This is an administrator tutorial video on how to set up a new project in your sagmilling.com setup. In your system, when you log in as an administrator, you will see in the projects list a button that says Add New Project. We'll click that. It is mandatory to enter a name for your project. All of the other fields are optional. A reference number, this would be if you have a project number that you associate with this project. The F80 and the P80, these become the defaults for the data that you enter into circuits that are created for this project. Availability is always entered as a decimal, so 0.92 would be 92% availability, and the comment field can be any free text. All of these fields, except for the name, are optional. It is not necessary to enter information into them. Once the project is submitted, it will appear in the list. And when you enter the new project, there will be no test work associated with it. There will be no circuits associated with it. There will also be nobody associated with entering information into the project. You need to add the users to the project one by one. When you enter a user, you can select whether to put that person in with read-write access or read-only access, and then that will restrict whether or not the person can see information or edit information within the project. This concludes the setup of a new project within the sagmilling.com system.